Hello, everybody. It's a pleasure for us to present this session. And then Saul will introduce the speakers and the session, and I myself will participate at the end with the conclusions. Saul.
Thank you, Jaime. So hello, everybody, and thank you for attending this virtual plenary meeting of the EHDN and our session about cognition in Huntington's. I'm Saul Martinez from Saul Hospital here in Barcelona, and it's a pleasure to share this session with my good friend, Professor Kulisevsky. And of course, it's a pleasure to have the participation of two extraordinary professionals in this session. The idea with which we have tried to prepare this session is to review some aspects of cognition in Huntington's in relation to the dysfunction or the abnormalities in processes not so dependent on the frontostriatal alterations that we all know govern a very important part of the cognitive phenotype of Huntington's. So we wanted to hear about some of these non-frontal striatal deficits occurring in Huntington's. Well, you know that from the first neuropathological studies of Huntington's to the most recent neuroimaging studies, we have been able to understand that Huntington's is a process that extends beyond the basal ganglia and affects the entire brain. Although it's true that we still do not understand exactly what role do non-striatal alterations play in the expression of cognitive dysfunction in HD, or how can we measure these dysfunctions, or which mechanisms explains the different expression of non-striatal dependent cognitive deficits between HD patients. And for this reason is here with us Professor Julie Stout, professor in the Turner Institute for Brain and Mental Health and the School of Psychological Sciences at Monash University in Melbourne, where she leads the Aging and Neurodegeneration Research Program. Well, you know, she has extensive experience in the study of cognitive aspects of Huntington's, and she will present us non-striatal influences on memory performance in Huntington's disease. And in parallel, we have my good friend, Michael Orth, a person who has always been very involved with executive and scientific structure of the EHDN and with the whole HD community. He has developed excellent scientific works in the field of Huntington's. He's currently based in the Department of Old Age Psychiatry and Psychotherapy at Bern University in Switzerland, and he will talk us about visual system integrity in Huntington's. Unfortunately, Professor Julie Stout will not be available for the round of questions, but we will be glad to comment and to discuss on any questions that may arise at the end of these presentations. And again, thank you so much for your presence today. And obviously, we hope, at least I hope, that in a short time, we can all see each other in person in the next EHDN meeting. So